dengan lafaz Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera. Saya pertemuan Lensa Smash pada hari ini. Pada 8 April 2026, SMK Sultan Mansur Shah telah mengadakan ujian tara untuk mengumpul mata bagi rumah sukan masing-masing. Mari kita saksikan sedikit sedotan daripada aktiviti hari ini.
Tell me what it takes to get you feeling alive. Tell me how to show you it's a beautiful life. I'll do anything to pull you into the light, 'cause everything will change when you open your eyes. Yeah. So don't you let the sunlight get out without you. Don't you realize how lucky we are? Open up your heart, baby, let it all go tonight. Live your life like you was running out with a light. We gotta scream it out.
Sekian, itu sahaja liputan kami. Putri Damia signing off. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.